Hello and welcome to another quick update about Cosmos. Cosmos has reached the next price target. Amazing. A few days ago we talked here about the $20 level when it was broken, that the next one would be here at $17.50 level based on the previous lows back here, and that then, because we already broke the wave A low, that the next logical target will be the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level at $15.74, and that is the level that I talked about in January as a price target for Cosmos Atom when we were still coming up here. I think it was even in December. And we had a reversal point here that was also a take profit area for anybody who watched this channel. At least I did it, and I can't tell you what to do. That is here never financial advice, but I can share what I'm doing. And this was great because we expected this wave C down. There wasn't even an alternative scenario here on the chart. And we have finally come down. We finally come down. It's amazing. I think there is now only Polygon Matic left and Polkadot of all coins that I cover that have not reached their target areas, including Bitcoin, by the way, or excluding Bitcoin. So Bitcoin also needs to still reach its target area. But I cover a lot of coins. Yeah, and if you look back since November, I think of all the, I can't even count them, 15, 20 coins that I cover, only 3, which is Matic, which is Atom, and which is Bitcoin, haven't reached their individual target areas, in which, with a high likelihood, the market has a chance to provoke a turnaround. Which doesn't mean we couldn't even drop lower. So this is what we could see in January. And this is still what I see now, because we can, in this scenario, even drop all the way down to $12.15. Now, if we drop below that, we still have a chance. Cosmos has another chance, and I could go to the higher level wave count, but I'm not going to unpack that until we get further into the target area, because we could now see a potential reversal. I mean, we've got here the $15.74 level, and we are in a descending wedge, so we are in a potential breakout pattern. I expect fairly soon a reversal for Bitcoin to the upside. Not an all-time high reversal, but a reversal in terms of sort of a corrective move up, which is just needed in such a move down. Also here, Cosmos did that. We came down here, consolidated. We come down here impulsively, so there should be another consolidation before we come down and do our final leg down, our final corrective wave down. That would be confirmed by the RSI. So you can see here that we're just oversold. We're oversold. We see here a slight bullish divergence on the daily RSI. We also see a bullish divergence on the MACD, but we currently also see that the MACD has turned around again on the daily. So here we don't have enough bullish signals, but we have a bullish divergence. You see more, you see the RSI, so the MACD go up and make higher lows, whereas on the price chart very clearly we're making lower lows. The same story on the RSI, even though it's not that clearly. So that indicates an upcoming reversal. Yeah, and we are on top of that in this descending wedge, which also is traditionally a bullish reversal pattern. Overall, though, the medium term here on the 4-day chart, yeah, also hammering down really. But look at the 4-day chart RSI. I mean, we are now at 34 on the RSI on the 4-day chart. This is the third lowest it has ever been. The lowest was in 2019 when it came down to 27. Bear in mind, this was also more volatile at the time. Then we came down here in March 2020, which made sense, because all cryptos did that, to 31.50. And now we are already at pretty much 34. So the downside potential here in terms of also the 4-day chart is fairly limited. On the weekly, we could also drop lower, but again, here also the third lowest it has ever been. So it can only drop so much, right, before there will be a recovery. But here also it could still drop further, but we are already at 37. So from 30 on the weekly, we would expect some serious support. But yeah, again, the bullish signs are still too weak. But we need to understand that this could happen now or change quickly. It could change quickly, that we could now see very, very shortly a corrective move up. I mean, I've told you here throughout the whole last week and the last few months that we are going to come down lower. But now we're at a point where, because we are so oversold on the daily, on the 4-hour chart as well, probably on the 8-hour as well, that we can expect some kind of a reversal now to the upside here fairly soon. At the moment, can't see it yet. We might need a bit more, a few more days of patience. But yeah, the main reason for this video is because we hit the target area now, and we can now expect, we need to watch it closely. At the moment, we can't see a lot, but we can normally expect when a price hits the 78.6% Fibonacci level, we can expect some support. And you can see here how the price is, or that the price is reacting to this level. We see first a reaction here, not a massive reaction, but the price is adhering to the Fibonacci levels. The 78.6% Fibonacci level here is respected. The downtrend is slowing down, but what we don't see yet is a bullish candle. We see a bit of a doji candle here at the moment on the 8-hour chart, indecision, that reflects indecision. And bear in mind, we are in a descending wedge. So it remains to be seen now, I think, how the weekly candle is closing for Bitcoin. I think that can have an impact on Cosmos Atom as well. And because we are so oversold, I expect here fairly swiftly a reversal to the upside. Again, just probably a corrective move. I think the low generally in this correction is not in yet, but we are now at a point where we could see here a move up, because we are currently at a very, very critical support level. You know, the 78.6% Fib level is in such a move down, in such a wave 2 in which we currently are, really, really an important support level. So the next resistance then I see here, first of all, we would need to break out of the wedge, of course, and then the next resistance is here at $17.50 level. And if we break above that $20 and, well, basically the top of that previous swing high, so that could go all the way up to $20.40, and from here then higher prices are possible in terms of resistance. And support wise, well, if you drop into this target area further, next support would probably be the support level of the wedge around $14.20. All right, and that is my view about Cosmos Atom. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, and if you really like the content as well, then please check out the channel membership. Here you can get access to the Telegram live chat groups, the Discord server, a weekly live stream. There was one today, by the way. So every Sunday we have a weekly live stream with the community. And what else? And if you, as well are interested in learning how to trade, check out my trading course that I'm currently uploading onto my website, morecryptoonline.com. See you in the next video. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.